Hi folks, Noah Bombard, Managing Editor at MassLive, and I am in Antarctica, or what would seem like it. We're up here at the top of the Wachusett Dam over by the Wachusett Reservoir in Clinton, where we're getting the brunt of the heavy winds that have been forecast for tonight and into the weekend. It's already picking up pretty good here. Let me move my hand, sorry about that. I'll try to give you a view of the reservoir behind me. This is the Wachusett Reservoir, second largest body of water in the state of Massachusetts. A week ago it was waves and completely unfrozen, and today it's completely frozen over. And I'll take you over there so you can see it a little better. There behind me. So we have a weather station up here, and it just recorded a 47-point-something mile per hour wind gust a few minutes ago. These are the kind of gusts of winds we can expect to see tonight, tomorrow, into Saturday night. They're going to bring bone-chilling temperatures to the state. It's already pretty darn cold out here. And it isn't so much the temperature as the combination of the temperature and these crazy winds that are going to plummet the wind chill factor to as low as 35 below zero Saturday night. Now that's going to be up in the northwestern part of the state in the Berkshires, but it's not going to be much better for the rest of the state. Worcester area, where I am right now, is forecast to probably hit 25 below with the wind chill, and a little bit less as you head toward the East Coast and the Cape. But it's not going to be too much better there. So I'm going to give you another shot of the reservoir here. You can see the wind really whipping across it. I don't know if you can see the there too. Sorry for the unsteady cam. It's a little blustery out here. So again, Noah Bombard from MassLive, and I'm up here at the top of the Wachusett Dam by the Wachusett Reservoir, the second largest body of water in Massachusetts, where we're already recording some pretty high wind gusts. As I said, just shy of 50 miles an hour already here Friday afternoon. Now the National Weather Service says that that's only going to increase as the afternoon goes across. And unlike a lot of our weather events that are kind of isolated to one part of the state or another, this one is pretty much cross-state, although it may be more severe in some areas than others. You can see behind me the wind cresting over. This is Route 70 here in Clinton. Now the plows have to keep going by here, even though it stopped snowing hours, yesterday evening. The snow keeps whipping over the highway, so they keep having to clear it. I get the camera down there a little better. Bridge down there, trying to get to. Now I know we always get comments on our weather stories that, hey, it's New England, it snows, it gets cold, deal with it. I couldn't agree more, with the exception of a storm like this, which I really will say people should take this seriously. The snow has stopped, but that wasn't really the danger. The up to 18 inches of snow we got in some parts of the state are continuing to blow around because of all of this wind. Probably like a lot of you, I've already shoveled out 3 or 4 times. It just keeps getting buried with 4 or 5 snow drifts. Really kicking up here. Like I said, about 12:30 this afternoon, we registered just shy of a 50-mile-an-hour wind gust. I'm guessing this is pushing that right now. I don't have an eye on the wind gauge. Keep your small children and kids inside. They might just blow away. Alright, I'm going to try to get us a little closer down to the dam. Don't try this at home. The next 48 hours are really going to be the crucial part of this wind and cold storm that we're getting. National Weather Service says this winds are only going to pick up this afternoon into this evening. Now when the sun goes down, you're going to see the temperatures plummet a little further. And when those do, these winds, which are increasing, are only going to make those wind chill values even more incredibly low. As I said, the National Weather Service is forecasting up to 35 below zero wind chill factor Saturday night. Friday night, it's going to get pretty close to that too. They're forecasting around 20 below, 25 below. So definitely take this seriously. I would recommend having your car gassed up. If you went through all your provisions at home after the snowstorm, you might want to stock up a little bit, because you don't want to be out in this unless you're very well equipped. It's pretty cold out here. Let me see if I can get a better shot here of the reservoir. It really is pretty remarkable. Up here on the Wachusett Dam, pretty wide open, so we're getting the rough force of the wind. I haven't seen like this in a while. It really is sort of surreal, like you're in some kind of Arctic environment here, not Massachusetts. We're actually up at the window there, kind of pointing. Now there will be some relief to this, and that's going to come Sunday. Now Sunday morning is going to start out really, really cold again. Chilling temperatures, but it's going to start to warm up. And when I say warm up, I mean it's going to get into the 20s. I mean, break out the shorts and the cruise ship shirts there, because we'll see it warm up a bit. Another cold snap they're looking at for possibly next week. Alicia asks if I'm in hell. Yeah, it's pretty close to it. I actually think I came across an accident down here. The visibility right now on Route 70 is really bad. Just tried driving down and I was going about 20 miles an hour, and just headed home. I gave up. Looks like there's a little fender bender out here. Earlier up here on Route 70, the plows are still out. Even though it stopped snowing last night, the blowing winds with this dry, fluffy snow is just completely covering the highway again. They have to keep going by to clear it out. It's definitely winter. Wouldn't call it a winter wonderland. Unless you're really like this is an exceptional weather pattern we have blowing in over this weekend. The snowstorm, as I mentioned, was just the beginning of it. Those in the western part of the state didn't get too bad. 8 inches, 9 inches in some locations, a little bit more. Central Massachusetts, the Worcester area, we got over a foot. There were places on the North Shore, stretching down a band south of Boston, that were getting 17, 18 inches of snow. That's all in the air now as the stuff moves around. You can see that happening here behind me. Once again, I would definitely take this weather pattern seriously. There's a huge difference between this cold weather versus wind chill values that are really, really cold. A lot of homes and places can stay warm when it's 0 or 5 or 10 below, but you add 30, 40, 50 mile an hour wind gusts to that, and now you're talking about a wind chill value of 35 below 0. That's something to take seriously and not to scoff at. So, as I mentioned, I would be sure to watch out here. Keep a watch on MassLive.com. We've got staff on all weekend reporting on the temperatures, reporting on the dangers that are going to exist because of that. Of course, the big thing that we're watching for tonight and tomorrow are the power outages. A lot of people can weather these storms pretty well if they're buttoned down in their house, but if you lose power, that could be pretty devastating. This morning, a look at the MEMA site. There were only about 230 customers across the state without power, which actually seemed exceptionally low for any random day, let alone a day after a big snowstorm. So it wasn't an issue this morning, but we're continuing to watch that because that could be the big issue again tonight into Saturday night. Those are the two times you really want to watch. It's going to be cold tomorrow during the day, and we're going to have wind chills below zero, but the sun should be out like it is today, and it won't dip quite as low as we're going to see it go on the overnight there. Got a better view over here. And you can see just joining, we're on the top of the Wachusett Dam, Wachusett Reservoir in Clinton. Morning. See a lot of these roads, especially up here by the dam, are just completely windswept. Sandra says it's warmer in Alaska. Yes, it is. We had a story on that yesterday that it actually was warmer in Alaska than it is in Massachusetts. Someone's asking how the roads are. I think most of the roads are pretty good at this point. Like I said, this down here, Route 70, you've got the problem with the drifting, the snow drifting. That's the big thing to watch out for today. A lot of the roads are pretty quickly. Shoveled out my garage about 3 hours ago, and you can't even tell there's a 5-foot snowbank in front of it. So I'm not going anywhere. All right, hang on. Let me just scroll because I know we got a couple more questions. Comments. Time to get inside. Coffee shop quick. I agree, Sandra. Alright folks, I'm going to log off. Thanks for joining. We'll come back out here if we have to, and not before.